been a minute. Let me come up on here. I wanted to get some footage. Your girl is packing for her trip to Paris. Yes, honey, your girl is going to Paris, finally. All her life, this is what she dreamed of, and she's finally doing it. But today is Monday. Today's Monday, July 10th, my nephew's birthday. Shout out to you, Rashad. Happy birthday. He is currently in Jamaica living his best life. But I wanted to come on here and pack, show y'all some packing. I have not flown since 2009, which is a very long time. I ain't been nowhere in a long time. So I'm just like trying to remember, how do I do this? I just bought a new luggage set because the luggage set that I had years ago, of course, it's trash now. No good. So I found this pretty pink luggage set on Amazon, so I'm going to show you all that. So I have to be packed by Tuesday. I have to be packed up by Tuesday. I have to drive to D.C. Thursday to try to get an urgent passport same day. So y'all, please pray for your girl, because every time I go to do something, it's always an issue. So I'm going to drive to D.C. I have an appointment. I booked an appointment online, well, over the phone. So I'm driving to D.C. Oh, excuse me. So I'm driving to D.C. on Thursday to get my passport. And then I'm going to head back to North Carolina Thursday. And then I'm going to fly out Friday. So I already know I'm going to be asleep on the entire flight. It's an 8-hour nonstop flight. Thank you for my line sister for helping me out with that. Anika, you're the GOAT. So yes, 8 hours nonstop. So I'll be asleep. I think I'll be asleep the whole time because I'm leaving out at 6 p.m. So by that time, I know I'll be good and tired. So I just want to be packed up, everything packed up by the door Tuesday, because I'm going to stay at my parents' house Wednesday night, which is in Henderson, North Carolina. And of course, Henderson is closer to Virginia, Maryland, D.C. So that's why I prefer to leave out from Henderson first thing Thursday morning versus heading out of Raleigh, heading to D.C. I'm not doing that. So yeah, I'll be back to show you all my progress. So here's my luggage set. I found it on Amazon. And it is too cute because y'all know your girl loves some pink. So it came in 3 sizes. This is the large. And then you have the medium and the small inside of there. I'm going to get the small out in a bit for a carry-on. I'm not trying to pack that much. Let me show you. I'm not trying to pack that much. So I'm really not trying to pack that much for Paris because I know I'm going shopping. I feel like one of the main reasons that I'm really going here is to go shopping. So I need to have as much room as possible on my return so that my stuff can fit. I prefer to keep my boxes if they will allow me to keep my boxes for the things that I'm going to purchase. So yeah, I don't plan on wearing that much. Or I don't plan on packing that much. Let me say that, because I'm really there on a mission. So I also found these. I'll take those out. I also got these off Amazon. It's the garment bags. So here are my garment bags. They came in 2 different sizes, but I got a total of 3 garment bags. They're mesh material and pretty pink, of course. And then I have 2, I think these are the undergarment. Yeah, the undergarment or the bra holders. I don't know what. Oh, I was like, why is it hard plastic in there? So I think the bras go in here. Bras and panties, maybe. If just bras, I'm putting bras and panties. But I'm going to put my dirty clothes in here. So my dirty clothes will be in here so everything's packed away, tucked nicely. I have my pretty girl luggage tags, of course, and this is what I want to use to put my passport in. And I'll be taking my pretty girl. Y'all already know everything's going to be, AKA, I'm taking my toiletry bag and finally going to be able to take my makeup case. But I don't want to stuff it because I remember one time, I don't know where I was flying or what airline I was flying, but I remember I had some hair oil or something and it ended up leaking. It didn't leak much, but it ended up leaking. And I really don't want any leaks on my clothes or my bags that I'm going to be buying over there. So I don't know. I don't know what I'm going to do about this liquid. I might put it in a Ziploc bag. But yeah, I'm not trying to really pack much because I know I'm going to be shopping and I need room for my shopping. So I'm trying to really keep it simple. I think I'm going to take like 4 pairs of shoes. I'm going to take these sneakers because these are like a Paris staple. The Adidas Stan Smiths. Because I'm telling y'all, we already know the Parisian style is very simple, chic, and cute. So I'm not trying to look like a tourist. So I got me some Adidas Stan Smiths. I have these from Target. I've never worn these. They were super cute. So I was like, oh, I got to get these. So I have these. Then I have my Hermes Oran sandals. I have not worn those yet either. I'm going because one of my good best friends, Miranda, she is going to be in Paris for work for 3 weeks. And when she told me that, she was like, come. And at first I thought she was playing. I was like, girl, you know I'm brocade, okay? You know I'm brocade. But I was like, I will go brocader. I will go brocader for Paris, okay? So I did what I needed to do. The only thing that now I'm really waiting for is this passport. I'm praying that everything's going to go smooth with this passport. But that's the only thing I need. But yes, I'm going to go stay with my best friend, Miranda. She's going to be in Paris for 3 weeks or a month or something like that. So yeah, I said I better take advantage of this because this is once in a lifetime. So that's why I'm going. I'm just going to shop and eat. That's really all I want to do. Hey, y'all. Hey. So today is Tuesday, July 11th. I'm trying to continue to prepare for my trip. I actually looked at the file today. Something told me, God told me, April, you better look at your PDF file that they attached to your appointment. So I found out today that I had to have a photocopy of my driver's license front and back and a photocopy of my birth certificate front and back. So now I'm getting ready to head out. I have to go get those two printed because I couldn't figure out on my printer how to do the 2 sides front and back on one side of the paper without having to flip it. I was getting it messed up, so I just said bump it. So I'm going to go do that, and I'm going to also run a Target because I need a few travel items. So I just wanted to come and update you all as I prepare. I'm still packing. Today's Tuesday. So yeah, that's that. I'm trying to get back in early so I can get myself together and in the bed early because I have a long day ahead. Well, a long week ahead. Let me just say that. But yeah, today I'm wearing my Creative Doses with my Route Chasers shirt. Shameless plug for my nephew. And just some biker shorts. Simple and cute and comfortable. And I'm probably going to wear my Tevas just for a pop of color. But I'll see you all later. So I believe this is going to be the... Excuse my nails. This is why I hate getting my nails done. But this is going to be my bag. I talked it over with my lawn sister. I'm going to take this bag because it has a closure in the front. It's tiny, but it has everything that I pretty much need in it. Like, I'll put my phone and my card in here, and that'll be it. Hand sanitizer, Advil, and some hand cream just in case. So that's going to be my bag. Hey, y'all. Hey. So today is Wednesday, the day before my passport appointment in Washington, D.C. So my goal was to be packed up by Tuesday, but of course, it's not all the way there. I'm packed up for the most part, but I just don't really have a lot. I don't have that much stuff, which is surprising, but I'm okay with that. Because again, I don't want to overpack, but I'm just trying to rearrange some things. And then too, you know, it's hard for my toiletries. It's hard to get everything in with that because I'll still be using it like the day of. But anywho, I'm working, trying to get things done. And I'm going to try to do as much as I can during the day because I'll be leaving for Henderson tonight. So tonight I'm going to go home, stay at home with the parentals, and then we're going to leave early in the morning on Thursday. So I just want to come back and show some progress. But yeah, I'm just about to rearrange some stuff. I think I only got like 3, 4, 5 outfits for 3-4 days. So again, I don't know. I'm not trying to overpack because it's too hot for all of that. But I'm going to just pack one of something just in case. Like I want an outfit if we're going to go out maybe once on Saturday night. And I want an outfit just in case it's raining or it's cool and I need to be covered. So that's where I'm at right now. I will check back in with you all at a later date. Excuse the scarf on my head. So I just filled up, got some gas. So I am on my way headed to Henderson. I didn't get any footage on my suitcase, but I am pretty much packed up with the exception of my facial items like brushing my teeth, washing my face, stuff like that. But other than that, dang, I don't think I brought a toothbrush home. I'm sure my mama got one. Hot darn, mama and daddy got one. But yeah, I'm headed to Henderson now. Let me bring this up. Headed to Henderson now, just filled up and ready to go. So it is what? 9:21. I should get home by like 10 o'clock because it's nighttime. I left later than I expected to, but anywho, see you all tomorrow. So I'm here waiting to get my passport. It looks like I will be going to Paris after all. So today is day 4. Today is the day I had an appointment to get my passport, and your girl got her passport. So she is going where? To Paris.